Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix error 0x80200070 during installation or updating of Microsoft Edge, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and click on it to open the application. Now, check for unresponsive processes in this list. Let us say that Firefox is unresponsive. I will simply right click on it and select End Task. If this helps, well and good. If not, then identify these programs and remove them from your computer. In order to remove a program from your computer, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command appos.cpl and hit Enter. This will open the Programs and Features window. Right click on the program you wish to remove, select Uninstall and click on Yes. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the website, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.